Farmers from across the globe have a strong bond and passion for their soil, which leads to nurturing of the land. What they need is the support of high-performing agricultural solutions like farm equipments and tractors. Sonalika, the lines of gold, gave a new meaning to farming and revolutionized the way we till the soil. It all started with a humble beginning. Incorporated in 1969, at a time when India was fast becoming self-reliant in food grain, Sonalika seeds and agricultural implements became the weapon of victory to accomplish newer heights of success. The group diversified into tractor manufacturing in 1995. The result was a masterpiece that transformed the way people across the globe do their farming. With the beginning of the 21st century, India's heart of gold collaborated with Renault of France, subsequently with Claas Tractors of Germany, and presently in collaboration with Yanmar of Japan. Equity partner Blackstone imposed trust on Sonalika and further gave impetus to the ITL's growth story. Today, taking the voyage of success further, Sonalika Group sits on a strong platform with a turnover close to $1 billion. The CAGR of 30% in the last decade is the testimony of our achievements and makes us one of the fastest growing debt-free corporates in the world. Today, Sonalika Group is the complete agricultural solution provider. The company is into production of farm machinery attachments, auto components, implements and combines. And today the group has also ventured into the MUV segment. The group has an integrated manufacturing facility adhering to the highest quality standard, where all the supplements and aggregates, engine, axles, transmission and other products are manufactured in-house. A well-established and equipped R&D of ITL is staffed with over 300 specialist engineers. The main thrust of the R&D function is sustainability and economic benefit to society. To launch products that meet evolving customer needs consistently. Leveraging the most relevant technologies in both products and processes. International Tractors Limited, a flagship company of Sonalika Group, under the two popular brand names Sonalika and Solis, has taken the same spirit forward, not only in India, but to over 74 countries across South and Central America, Africa, Europe, Asia and Oceania, and has become a name to reckon with.
In order to achieve our mission of farm mechanization, we have gone across the borders. We have entered already 74 countries where our tractors are being sold, our implements are being sold, and we have very delighted, satisfied farmers. We are also establishing training centers for farmers to train them how to use the tractors and farm implements and how to increase their output by using proper seeds and proper manures in proper time.
The group's state-of-the-art production plants are spread across many acres and are strategically established in a pollution-free zone in Punjab, India. Today, ITL is the proud manufacturer of the best-selling tractors between 20 HP to 120 HP. New products are being launched in the range of narrow tractors for orchid applications, special tractors for paddy applications, and further expanding the range to 180 HP as per market requirement. The tractors manufactured by ITL bear testimony to greater performance, unmatched quality and higher reliability in the market because of their better pulling power, minimal fuel consumption and low emission. These qualities and services of ITL's products, further stamped by JD Power and Associates, one of the world's reputed research firms, as best tractor for customer satisfaction. This is backed by an excellent and unmatched distribution network and service options. The company is awarded with ISO 9001 and 14001 TS 16949 and EEC certificates for adopting global standards in products, quality, safety and services. Over 5,000 employees are assets of the group and play a crucial role in success of the organization. For them, vision means thinking outside the box, finding new avenues, and developing new ideas to meet the challenging demands of the future. Attention to detail, understanding the basics, and trying it out in practice is the hallmark of Sonalika's success. Today, Sonalika has become synonymous with prosperity, success, and growth. With international technologies, state-of-the-art production units, experienced team, and tailor-made solutions, Sonalika has responded to its customers' needs, not only in India, but across the world, always on time. We are confident that the coming years will bring greater results with the trust and confidence of our associates, business partners, and customers on our products and services. We are ready to address the coming challenge of food security. We are all geared up to achieve operational excellence, highest customer satisfaction, and superior agricultural solution. To charter newer terrains.